Hello and welcome to this short video about the welding speed in the friction stir welding process. My name is Heineck. I'm a sales manager for the friction stir welding division at Grenzebach. I would like to focus on the welding speed in this video since it is a fundamental factor in the series production. For this reason, I will discuss the factors influencing the welding speed. Specifically, I would like to discuss some parameters, the geometry of the weld path and the workpiece alloy. First, let's have a look at the parameters rotational speed and contact pressure. These factors generally have a positive effect on the welding speed. However, an increased rotational speed or contact pressure not only enable a higher welding speed, but also lead to a higher heat input and structural load in the workpiece. Consequently, this could, for instance, cause an increased distortion. Now, let's move on to talk about some relevant weld seam properties. Regarding the weld seam, both the dimensions and the weld path have effect on the welding speed. If the welding width and depth are increased, the maximum possible welding speed is reduced. Considering the weld path design, it can be expected that for strongly curved weld contours, a reduction in speed of 50% will be required. Finally, let's move on and talk about the workpiece alloy. The alloy of the workpiece to be welded also has a great influence on the welding speed. For example, the welding speed for aluminum alloys of class EN-AW 6000 is 30 to 50% higher than for alloys in class EN-AW 5000. This is due to the different yield strength and deformation capacity of the respective alloys at elevated temperatures and process temperatures. In conclusion, it can be said that the welding speed depends on many influencing factors. On the one hand, an increase in welding width and depth as well as a curved weld path design have a negative effect on the welding speed. On the other hand, increase the before mentioned process parameters enable a higher welding speed. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me and my colleagues.